Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open XLSX files in Google Sheet. It's really simple and easy. First of all, just open your Excel and open the XLSX file. And as you can see, it's here. After this, what you can do is you can come to this file option in the top left corner here and then simply tap on this save as. Then browse, come to your folder you want to save and then simply tap on this save and it's done. Now just go back, cross this and open your Google Sheet here. Tap on this square button and go for this sheets here. Now you want to tap on this blank spreadsheet, and when you are here you can simply tap on this file here, go for this open, and you have to locate the same file you have just exported. So just tap on this browse and here it is, select it and simply tap on this open, and as you can see it's loading now, so you have to wait a little bit, and after waiting a little bit it will open your XLX files in Google Sheet. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to open XLSX files in Google Sheets. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.